Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix a Gmail not receiving emails. So the first thing to do is to go to your Gmail account, and one of the reasons why you cannot receive an email to that specific person, maybe because you need to look for that message here under spam. So you have to click more and go to spam. Your emails being marked as spam by your recipients is the primary and most evident cause. The receiver may choose to classify your email as spam even if it has compelling material. In short, the reason why your email is ending up in spam is because your recipients put them there. Another thing is that your storage is full, so you need to clear up storage. To do that, you have to go to your Google Drive first and see here the status of your storage. So once it's full, what you're going to do is simply delete some of the messages in your inbox or in your email, of course. So you can go to the specific message and then delete that. For example, this one, then go to delete icon or trash icon. Now for Google Drive, you can delete any of the videos here. You just have to tap that video or image and then click delete. Okay, so that's it. Now, the second thing to do is, of course, you need to upgrade your storage if it's full in order for you to receive emails. Okay, so next is go to your settings. Okay, go to see all settings here. Go to filtered and block addresses and make sure that you haven't blocked someone here or filtered someone here because if you filtered someone here, then of course that's the reason why you cannot receive his or her message. And then after that, go to forwarding and POP and make sure that you turned off this one so that your messages will be delivered directly to your inbox. Also, you have to enable this one. Once done, all you have to do is to click Save Changes. So I hope after doing any of this method, it will fix Gmail not receiving emails. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.